Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Core Comics limited edition, or a Core Comics Desert Sphinxer. So yeah, kanji. This is a plastic gen bay, and before saying anything, yes, I did have this one, but I basically used that part, this piece, from this. For this bay right here, and also, yeah, I did fix it. I need probably yeah, looks pretty good. I like it a lot. Yeah, so basically, this is what this Beyblade was, and what surprised me is this is a brand new bay. I didn't buy a brand new bay, and yeah, I'm happy. But I'll show you what I got. So yeah, this is what I bought right here. So yeah, that's what I bought. This is what I got. Okay. So yeah. I mean, yeah, that's the description. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. I already opened it because I thought they just put it in this package. But yeah, no. It's a brand new bag. Sprinking and freaking, yeah, words. I need a drink. Sorry. This will be uploaded today. Boom. Brand new. Hasn't been opened yet. No stickers, nothing. Here's the stickers right there. And I'll be putting the stickers on off camera. So yeah. Nothing else in the box. I like these limited edition boxes. I have two of these guys. If you remember this guy, I have two of these. So this is my old one. So yeah, another vintage unboxing. Yeah, I was expecting it to do that. And also, if you guys don't know, this and I didn't see anyone make this at all. At least they haven't posted it. So I did this. I'm trying to get fandom, Beyblade fandom wiki. I'm having trouble putting it on there. A picture of this and also the parts. They only have the name of this. They don't have this part and the disc. Weight disc. So yeah. And also the parts names too. There it is, mint. Actually, before I do that, since it's brand new, I'll take a picture of it. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, how to do that for the Instagram. And yes, go check the Instagram. My Instagram. It's basically I post real life stuff and not just Beyblade. I do post a bit of Beyblade now on there, but I do selfies and stuff like that. This will be sticking around. This piece is freaking hard to get. Here's this is Takara Tommy. Oh, Kenny. Here's the names. I'll tell you the names of it. Oh no. Never mind. This is the final clutch system and pickup. So yeah, that's the name of that, and Does it say Arc Pyramid is the name? So yeah, that's the name. Goddamn kids. Shit. Yeah. Damn dirt bikes going around. Yeah, fuck me. Okay. Let's get this. Actually, oh shit. I literally just got home from work, just ignoring me rambling. Yeah. I literally just got home from work 5-6 minutes ago. Yeah. 6-7 minutes. Yeah. I got home at 26, 27. It's 40, so yeah, a few minutes has passed since I did this. Here's the clutch base. Oh god, yeah. And of course clutch, you do the I'll show you after. And this is a gorgeous yellow. I really like the yellow. It's just, I'm going to just put this together for you guys, and put the stickers before after pick again. And I'll be taking a picture of that too, before after stickers. There we go. But you won't be seeing me taking pictures of this after. I mean, of this when I'm doing this. On video again. So yeah. There we go. And this is a 10 wide. Oh god. Shiny, brand new 10 wide. It's gonna last a few minutes then. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Brand new. Brand spanking new. Okay, let's get this out. Ow. That hurt. Okay, let's get the engine gear, the winder. Ah, poked myself. There ain't no blood. There's the winder. This is gonna be tossed over there. Let's put this that side. There we go. Here's a closer look without stickers. So yeah, let's go right there. Three, two, one. Okay. Had a bit of trouble with the eye ones, so I didn't put those on. So let's do this and do a spin test. Okay, let me grab my stadium and launcher. Okay. Let's use my Kai launcher. And my G Revolution in the stadium. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And actually, before I go, I'm going to do a quick little thing to see how this goes. Wish me luck. No! The rose! No, God, the rose! No! The rose has stricken. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And good. Bye.